Hello everyone, this is Stuff. You're watching Stuff HD, and I am off to Milwaukee to go celebrate a friend's birthday. It's also like a little last time I see some of these people. Is my colors even okay? I just finished filming the outro to last week's vlog, and right as I did that, I started filming this one. So we're gonna go to Milwaukee and let's see how it goes. It's kind of weird to think about how by the end of this vlog, unless something big happens, I'm gonna be in Puerto Rico. Like, my whole life is gonna change. For you guys, it's probably gonna be 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, I'm gonna be freaking out for a week. But hopefully it'll be a good week. We'll see what happens. Well, you guys will see quicker than I will. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Somehow, we are now at Elijah's, watching wrestling.
Great balls of fire. Gran bolas de fuego.
Gran bolas de fuego. Today is it. Today is my last day at work. So let's go out there and get this done. I mean, I am so sad. So sad. Alright, my last lunch. Going to Popeyes. It's not like it's my last lunch. I mean, I'm still gonna be having lunches afterwards. I decided to go with the blackened chicken tenders. So my friend Elijah just sent me this picture of his parking lot complex. That right there is his car. Mostly all covered in water. This is also where I used to live, same apartment complex. So I'm very happy to not be there right now. And I'm very happy that yesterday was my last day at work, because going to work today would have sucked. Either way, I'm still gonna go over there and see if I can help Elijah out. I think I'll take my waterproof camera out today. Alright, let's go see what the heck is going on out there. Alright, my car is not flooded, so that's good. Alright, finally made it to the apartments, and this is what it's looking like. Now this is just what I call the front of the apartment. What I call the back, it's actually much more flooded, so we'll take a look at that from the other side. Yeah. So this morning I just felt like a peanut butter and banana sandwich, so I made me one. Alright guys, so I'm off to Elijah's to see what the situation is today with the whole car and the flooding. I'm assuming that the water at his complex has mostly gone down, and now there's mostly a lot full of cars that don't work. But that's just what I'm assuming based on absolutely nothing. Just as expected, the water is gone. Just a lot full of cars that don't work. Yeah, they must have been here working all night. Jeez, that was a lot of water. That's how high the water was inside the car. It's all wet, obviously, and cup holders are full of water. So last breakfast with the dude is there, and we didn't do Denny's or IHOP. Came back to Walker Brothers because shit was good last time. So hi, now I'm here with Mevin, who's laughing for no reason. So today I'm at Michoacana again with Mevin again, and just gonna have my last mangonada here. There might be a Michoacana in Puerto Rico, I don't know. Alright, time to head off to the airport and start this adventure. So on the way over here I realized that my bank doesn't exist in Puerto Rico. So that's gonna be entertaining. Suck. It means it's gonna suck. Alright, made it to my seat. So now I just need to get there. Landing has happened. Fucking Church's chicken, can't get rid of him. I haven't even officially really arrived, but I'm already getting bread. Going to El Tenedor restaurant. Never been here. Alright guys, it's been a hell of a week, hell of a day today. I am very tired, so I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys subscribe, and yeah, the next vlogs are gonna be all about me in Puerto Rico, and I'm gonna change the format a little bit. I'm gonna try making more than one vlog a week, so I'm gonna start doing seasons and episodes. Instead of like week 1, week 2, whatever. So anyway, that is it for me. I'm going to sleep. You all take care. Goodbye.